I'm Liron.
And I'm Gal.
And we are here to share with you why couples having struggles and arguing and difficulties in their relationship and how actually to change it.
We want to start with a specific insight that it's not common knowledge. Most people don't know that. And that insight is that whatever attracted you to each other, so the thing that actually drew you together, that created passion and interest in your relationship, is the same thing that's going to make you fight with one another.
Right. So we are together since 2003, pretty much a long time. So we learned something about relationship, And we broke up several times. We come back together and we found our way to create a breakthrough. And here we wanted to deepen the understanding of why these changes happened for us. And we can share personally that when we met, I really love that Gal is very planned, that he's really centered and grounded, that he liked to learn and, be by himself and deepen into the things that he interested about. That I was very attractive to it.
And what I liked about Liron is that she was an artist. She was creative. She was different. She was dressed different. She looked different. Mm-hmm. She was also very social, very connected to people, very warm, very loving.
Mm-hmm. Right. And a few years later, the thing that I love most about Gal actually transformed into things that I pretty much hated. Like, why do you need to plan everything in advance? Why are you taking so much time for yourself? You're not paying attention to me. You don't want to spend enough time with me together. The things that we used to do in the past very spontaneously, now he doesn't want to do anymore. I'm just like, what's going on here?
And what I got frustrated about is, why are you making such a big deal about everything? Why are you so emotional about everything? And why can't we just, make life together, plan something, have goals, have ambitions, have future planning? Why everything has to be up in the air and vague and ungrounded?
So when we realize that the same things that we loved about each other are the same things that's challenging us, we really create a transformation, because I realize that Gal has some qualities that I don't have. And even more than that, that I really wish I had them. And that's the reason it's frustrating me, is that I could not actually sit down and be quiet and plan things in advance and be very, well, now I can do it. I could not. And that was very hard for me. And for Gal?
Yeah, I definitely open up more to people in a social world, and my heart more to people, because with my focus on myself and my work and my career, I was really disconnected from people. And I also learned to take more risks and to be more spontaneous and to try new things on. And so my life became more rich.
Right. So now I can wake up in the morning and say, okay, Gal, let's go for a hike, or let's go travel to the other side of California. And he will give me the look, but then I give him the look. And then we will go to the car and, of course, with the kids, and drive to the other side of California.
And so we want to invite you to also think about your relationship, right? Maybe some of the challenges you're having right now with your partner are actually because of that they're different from you. But those differences in the beginning were attractive. And so there's something that you actually wanted to learn from.
Right. So if you're curious about it and want to learn more, join us to Breakthrough to Love, because that's where you get all the tools and skills that you need to come closer and be more familiar with each other.